Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my FABFITFUN for spring and I feel like I might be more excited about this particular FABFITFUN than I have been in a long time. They're always good, don't get me wrong, but this box has some particularly really exciting products in it, so I'm really excited to jump in. If I look a little rough, it's because I have had this makeup on way too long. I worked all day and I came home, but I just had to film it right away because I wanted to unbox it, and I haven't gotten into my actual FABFITFUN box. I have opened my add-on, so I'm going to show you guys those really quick and then we'll dive right into the box. So they always have really good deals for add-ons, especially if you can catch them early because some of them will sell out. You can really pick out things that you already love and pay like a fraction of the retail price for, which I think is awesome. They were also running a little special that if you got 3 add-on items, you could get this product for free. So this is the Love Beauty and Planet. It's coconut, and I'm not going to pronounce this flower because I feel like I'm just going to screw it up and sound offensive. So yeah, this is what the deodorant looks like. I have been looking for more natural deodorant options. My skin's really irritated by aluminum, and whatever else is in regular deodorant says I have a horrible time, especially when I shave. In addition to that, it's like, whoa, it's too much. This one's really floral. I like that little hint of coconut, but it's definitely more floral. It kind of smells like honeysuckle in a way, and a little bit more potent than that. So I'm excited to give this a try. So I do have 3 add-ons, of course, because I got this for free. So first I did the Makeup Drop Hybrid. This is a silicone pad and blending sponge in one. I saw people get this. I think I saw people get it in PR, and I was like, oh, that's really interesting, because I feel like the silicone sponges really were just like a total flop. All you could do is just kind of like smear the product or like distribute it, but you couldn't really blend it. So this basically has this little portion right on the front is silicone, and then the rest is a sponge. I'm definitely going to use this in a video, so definitely leave a thumbs up if you're keen to see me try this out in a video and see what it's all about, because I'm sure I'll have some new makeup to try before long. I also got 3 Invisibobbles. So these are in the chocolate ones, and they actually smell like chocolate. I didn't realize that when I picked it out. I just wanted something close to my hair color, which is stupid because I think I'm going to be dyeing my hair blonde soon. But anyway, these are the chocolate ones, and I think these are only just a few bucks. I'll put on the screen what I paid. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! They just went flying around my room. Oh my god, these smell so chocolatey. That's crazy. Smell it. Just kidding. But it does. It really smells like chocolate. I feel like that can't last very long though. Or maybe it will, who knows. So yeah, I got these. I love Invisibobbles. They're like the only hair tie I want to use now. I feel like it kind of perks up my ponytail a little bit too, and kind of like spreads the hair a little wider versus, you know, regular ponytail holds it tight and it doesn't damage your hair. So yeah, I'm all about some Invisibobbles. I think they're awesome. And then I also got a Glam Glow bubble sheet. I actually really like this. I did a video on Instagram using one of these, and it was like my favorite little video that I've done, and I really liked it. Like, it feels like it cleans really well. It bubbles up so much, it's crazy. So I highly recommend this Glam Glow bubble sheet, and I just had to get one. Alright, so here is the big guy, the FABFITFUN for spring, and these are so adorable. This box is absolutely the cutest. I love the cactus on it. The cacti, I should say. So cute. It's so springy. It's like fun. It makes me want to have like warm weather. I have not ventured into this box at all. It is still totally sealed, so I'm going to use little scissors to open it up with because, you know, that's all I have in here. Alright, so here we are. Oh, it's got Venus Williams on the front. Gotta love her. So here's a little sneak peek at all my goodies. There's so much stuff. This is the first thing that's catching my eye. This is the Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Forgot I had pink Moscato back here. Oh, this is by Manna Kadar. So I've heard of their products, but I didn't realize she had like body products, because I know they had like lips. I think I've gotten a lip from that brand before. So I guess this is just like a body scrub. The packaging's really pretty, that rose gold lid. Whoa, that smells really good. It smells like some sort of candy I've had before, but it smells really good. But it's charcoal, so it says it detoxifies, exfoliates, and hydrates the skin with a gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balance and moisturize skin. So yeah, again, really pretty packaging, and I am definitely excited to try that out. Okay, I see the next thing, and I'm so excited. So one of the choices was to pick pick, I think it was these sunglasses, or you could pick like a picnic set. There may have been one other option. And I'm like, I'm not picking a picnic set when there are key sunglasses to be had. So in addition to that, and I thought they would be so sold out by the time I got around to it, but in addition to your like choice option, you could also add an item, which is something they always do. You could add an extra item for $10 out of those options. So I have not one, but 2 pair of key sunglasses. I'm so excited. So the only downside is that they're in black. So if you're not really a black sunglass kind of person, that might be, you know, a sad thing for you. I like black sunglasses. I do like some of their other options as well, but these are so pretty. So I got the first pair, which are these Aviators. They might be a little big for me. Yeah, they're probably a lot big for my face, but I don't know. I like Aviators. I like the style of them. These are definitely a little bit on the large and in charge side, but I do love them. And I feel like for like purposeful sunglasses, they're just really good. So here is what they look like up close without blinding you guys too much. I just couldn't pass up getting both pair and adding on only an extra $10 on. Absolutely. And then this pair I'm a little bit more excited for. I think these are the My Girl style. I'll put the other style on the screen, or I will have already done that, but these are what they look like here. I love this style. And Too Faced did a little collab where they had some key sunglasses where you could get like a bronzer and the glasses for like, I think it was $65, and I was so sad that I didn't get it. I'm like, why? And they were pink and they were so pretty, but it was this style. So they kind of come out in like a little cat-like eye. So cute though. So again, really happy that I got to get both of these. Okay, the next thing I see, this is by Trusty. This is the Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in the shade Florence Fig. So this actually has like a balm. I don't know if it has any color or not. Yeah, that looks completely clear. So it's just like balmy on one end. So it's like this. And then the opposite end, I love their magnetic packaging, is like this. Oh, that's a really pretty color. So that's Florence Fig. I feel like this would be nice to kind of layer up, and you could probably do it either way, put the balm on and then the color, or vice versa, add a little balm, just like tap a bit on to kind of create a creamier look. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't know if you'll be able to see the gloss well, that glossy balm. So I'm not mad at that. I've been pretty impressed with Trusty products. I haven't tried a multitude, but the few things that I've tried have been really good. Ooh, the next thing I got is from Ouai. This is the leave-in conditioner. Very excited about that. Ouai is another brand that I feel like almost everything that I've tried I've really liked, and I don't use a ton of hair products. I try to keep it kind of light on the product end because my hair is so fine, but I'm excited to use this. I feel like it's definitely one that I am going to give a try regardless. We're gonna make it work, and I love a good leave-in product too. As long as this isn't too heavy, I'm gonna love it because my hair gets really tangly easy, so this is nice for like combing it out. I'm super stoked. I got the Daily Concept Daily Detox Massaging Brush. Ooh, that looks interesting. So that's what it looks like in the packaging there. Oh, I guess this is a dry brush. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, maybe I'm just like a little baby, but I feel like that's a little rough. It says gentle, mild, and this is in the vigorous category for smoothing and softening skin. It says polish and circular motions all over body in order to stimulate circulation, eliminate layers of dead skin, designed to exfoliate and smooth skin overall appearance. Oh, it says dry or wet. It says for dry brushing, but this does say that you can use it dry or wet. So I feel like wet, I'm gonna like it a little bit better. And I love the little massagers. So I wonder how this would work in maybe like stimulating the thigh and helping to reduce cellulite. I don't know. But yeah, another product that I'm really excited about. I've not used anything quite like this. I'm a little confused because I definitely picked a different item than what I got in my box. I'm gonna look really quick. So one of the choices was to get either this or the robe. So in my box, I actually picked this floral robe. They've never messed up my order before, but I really didn't want this backpack. I mean, not that it's ugly or anything, it's just like I really thought that robe was super cute. So I got this backpack, which is like canvasy. So this was the other option, but I definitely I picked the robe. So I'm a little bummed. I'll definitely let them know, and maybe they can, hopefully, fingers crossed, send me that robe, because I didn't really want this. It's not quite my style, but it's not bad. I mean, no complaints really about the product, other than obviously I picked a different thing. And then the last thing that was also a choice is the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So this is the box. I love the box. That like super light pale with the little rosy gold. That's really cute. Oh, this is so cute. Their packaging is adorable. That's what it looks like. A little powder. So I'm excited to give this one a try. Lately I've been loving the Pretty Vulgar Powder Room. That's been like my go-to that I really, really love. And then I have been using also Shape Tape setting powder from Tarte. Put a little bit on my arm. I just want to feel it. Ooh. It feels very, very fine. So I'll have to try this one out soon. Maybe I can put this and the drop and my trusty clip in a video and try all of these out. Let me know in the comments below if you're keen to see that. And then the very last thing, oh, look at that. That box is a little worse for wear. Oh, Jesus. This is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So I have to say, I don't suffer with a lot of puffiness. So this isn't something that I'm like, ooh, I really need that or anything. For some people, I'm sure they love it. I do sometimes get puffier in the summer. I don't know if the heat has something to do with it, but I will try it out, I guess. And then I might just give it to my mom, honestly, because I don't even know if she has puffiness, but it's not really a concern of mine. At any rate, this box was a really, really good value. They actually total it up here for you. So my box retail value was $343.95. That's insane. I have to say that even with the little like mix up, this is a really great box. I am not complaining. The sunglasses, oh my goodness. I think these are so cute in the summertime. Can we just talk about me going to the beach and wearing these? So that was my FabFitFun unboxing. We got one more little thing to take care of. So if you are not a fan of our dad joke of the day, then you can go ahead and exit the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I totally understand if it's not your deal, the little dad jokes. But if you're here for it, then let's dive into today's dad joke. Okay, you ready? Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired. Do you get it? Because it has two tires. Absolutely ridiculous. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging around to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me some comments below and let me know what you thought about my FabFitFun box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!